Arpeggio. By the way, I got to give credit what credit is due. I learned this concept from Mike Burrell. He did a special with Hear and Play years ago. He was teaching the same concept. So hey, it's Trey Cross, founder of the Cross 3 Network. And look, I want to break this concept down. This is a nice easy concept. It's going to change the way that you play. It's a super easy hack, super easy trick for playing passing chords for beginners. All right. So let's say I'm playing this little I'm going to be in the key of C. So let's say we're playing this little song. It's like a 3 chord song, right? And this will really give you a nice visual and help you really hear what I'm talking about. All right, so it's in C. We're gonna play in C. All right. That's the whole song. 3 chords. C major, D major, B flat major, and back to C major. Do it one more time. All right, last time. Okay, so let me show you a little trick to give your playing a lot more life, and it's based on what you already know. So if you can already play this C major chord, you can already play this D major chord, this B flat major chord. You already have what you need for this trick. Let me just show you how to do it. All right, so here we go. All right, so we're gonna start at C major, right? So what we're gonna do, this is the C major root chord. So then we're gonna invert the C major chord. And all I did is when I inverted it, I just took the C from the bottom and I put it up top. See that? And then I can invert it again. I can take the E from the bottom and put that up top. It's still C major. So with an inversion, in case you don't know what an inversion is, all it is a way to play a chord in a different way. So you normally play the C major chord, the root, C, E, G. You could also play it E, G, C or G, C, E. And you can play, so however many notes a chord has, that's the number of ways you can play it. So that's what inversions is all about in a nutshell. So you can do the same thing with the D major chord. Okay? D, F sharp, A, or you can play F sharp, A, D, or you can play A, D, F sharp. And then we can go do the same with the B major chord. So this is the B flat major chord. This is the B flat major root chord. So B flat, D, F, or you can do D, F, B flat, or F, B flat, D. So let's go back to that song. So this is what it was right here. So C major, starting from the beginning. C major, D major, B flat major, and back to C major. Alright, so now I'm going to use the inversions from all 3 chords. So alright, so let's go C major. See that? C major chord, C major inversion. This is all C major inversions, all right? And then I'm gonna go to the D chord. All right, D major inversions. And then B flat major inversions. So that gave the song a lot more life. It gave you a lot more options. You don't have to do it in a specific order. same song. Now you don't have to do all of that in one piece. It's just you have to learn when to use passing chords and not to do too much. Sometimes less is more, but you still need a little more to give it life. And another thing you can do is you could borrow notes from that chord and make it your bass note. So, example, I stayed on C the whole time. So you can change that. So a lot of times what I do, sometimes I'll play that middle note. I'll borrow the middle note from my right hand and I play them on my left hand for the bass. So like, let's say I went, so C right here. Okay, and then the next chord I'm gonna play the C root chord. Okay, so the C root chord, the middle note on the right hand is E, so I'm gonna play E on the bass. Okay, and then I'm gonna play this another C major C major inversion, and now G is the middle note. So now I'm gonna borrow that C. I'm gonna borrow the G on the left hand. Okay, so I'm gonna do that again in real time. You see that? And then you can do the same thing with the D major chord. Simple. And then B flat major. And then back to C. And then you can break it up like arpeggio. By the way, I got to give credit what credit is due. I learned this concept from Mike Burrell. He did a special with Hear and Play years ago. He was teaching the same concept. So I thought it was pretty cool, and I kind of been doing it ever since. So I love it. You can use this for a worship thing. You can use this just to have fun. You can use this to make up new songs, whatever you want to do with it. So I mean, that's basically it. If you want to learn more about how to play keys by ear and even gospel keys by ear, for just $10 a month, I have this amazing program. Click the link in the bio or click the link above this video, or if nothing more, www.cross3network.com.